Welcome to Asim Code. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about for loops in C++. A for loop executes statement in the loop body while the loop condition is true. Before the loop initialization, statement is executed exactly once. After each cycle, the iteration execution part is executed. A for loop is defined as over here in our main. The syntax of for loop, this will be for, and inside parentheses we have initial statement, and after that condition, and then iteration execution. The initial statement get executed only once at the beginning of the for loop. You can enter a declaration of multiple variables at one time, such as over here we can do int I equals to 0, x is equal to 1, and so on. But mostly we use just one variable for initialization, such as over here of integer type I, and set to 0 or initialize to 0. These variables are only valid in the scope of the loop. Variable defined before the loop with the same name are hidden during the execution of the loop. For example, if I already define outside of the loop again, int I is set to 1, this is separate than the one inside the loop. And for the condition, these statements get evaluated ahead of each loop body execution. On each iteration, we check if this condition is true and aborts the loop if it evaluates to false. If the condition becomes false, we exit the loop. And this one, iteration execution, this statement get executed after the loop body ahead of the next condition evaluation, unless the for loop is aborted in the body by using break, return, or exception is thrown. You can enter multiple statement in iteration also, such as over here I++, B++, and so on, but mostly we will be using just one. Most common case for using a for loop is to execute statement a specific number of time. Let's see example. For example, if I is initialized to 0 of integer type, then in the condition we are going to check I is less than 10, and then I++, and inside our loop I'm just going to use cout to print the value of I, and then end of line. So here at the first iteration, the value of I will be 0 and the 0 will be printed. So this way we will keep on looping until this condition is true. And on every iteration we will add 1 to I or increment I. And you can see when I execute the code, it printed values starting from 0 to 9. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel Asim Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.